Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best controller charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Xbox Series S gamer. Keeping your controller powered up is crucial for uninterrupted gameplay, and in this video, we're diving deep into the world of controller chargers. We'll explore the best options available, considering factors like charging speed, battery life, and overall value to help you make the perfect choice. Number 5. OIVO Xbox Controller Charger Station. This is the OIVO Controller Charger Station. It comes with 2 rechargeable battery packs. This is a great way to keep your controllers charged and ready to go. These batteries and covers are designed for original Xbox Series XS, Xbox One XS, Xbox One, and Elite controllers. Please note that they are not compatible with Xbox 360 or third-party controllers. Refer to the image for correct battery installation. The charger can refuel 2 controllers in under 2.5 hours. It's a convenient play and charge kit for all Xbox controllers and gamers. The package includes a charging station and rechargeable batteries. The batteries can be charged separately, and it only takes 2.5 hours to charge 2 batteries. Say goodbye to AA batteries. This system allows for over 3,000 charge cycles. Fully charged, it provides up to 20 hours of playtime, so you won't have to swap batteries mid-game. The charger features LED indicators to show the charging status. A red light indicates charging, while green means fully charged or standby. It's a convenient way to store and charge your controllers. The charging station has overcharge, overheat, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. This keeps you and your devices safe, even if you forget to remove the battery. What we like. This charger station is perfect for gamers with multiple controllers. It can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, so you'll always have a spare ready to go. If you have friends or family who also game on Xbox, this is a great way to ensure everyone can play without interruption. What people say. Works great. It fit perfectly into my Series X controller. Stays charged for several hours. I can easily swap out batteries and use them consistently for at least 8 hours or so. If you have 2 controllers, you could leave one charging and swap them out easily. Fits an Xbox Series X controller. The charger is simple to use, the lights make it easy to know when the controllers are ready, and the batteries last a long time between charges. Number 4. Razer Xbox Quick Charging Stand, Robot White. This charging stand can fully charge your controllers in under 3 hours. It also has overcharge protection to prevent overheating and short circuits. This stand works with all Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Elite Series 1 wireless controllers. Whether you're on next gen or sticking with the classics, it has you covered. The magnetic design secures the controller to the stand. You can easily mount the controller and never worry about its charge being interrupted. The stand uses the same durable material and colors as official Xbox wireless controllers. It's designed to perfectly suit any setup. Simply hook up the charging stand to your Xbox, PC, or compatible wall plugs. It's easy to set up and use. The stand is ergonomically engineered for comfortable use. You can easily navigate through the Xbox dashboard even while it's docked. This product is officially licensed and developed alongside Xbox. It's designed to deliver the best gaming experience possible. Please note, the controller is sold separately. What we like. If you're looking for a sleek and convenient charging solution, this is the one. It charges controllers quickly and securely with its magnetic design. If you value a clean setup and want a charging stand that perfectly matches your Xbox, this is a great choice. What people say. The magnetic secure charging feature is simply fantastic. The magnet ensures that the controller is firmly attached to the stand, eliminating any worries of it falling or slipping off during charging. One of the standout features of this charging stand is its quick charging capability. It holds the controller in place magnetically for a fiddle-free dock every time. Charges quickly. Front-facing LED is amber during charging and turns white when the charge is complete. Number 3. Xbox Controller Rechargeable Battery Kit. This rechargeable battery kit is designed for all Xbox controllers. It includes a USB-C cable and a micro USB adapter. It's a great replacement for your old batteries. The Y-shaped LED light on the charging cable shows the charging status. It turns from red to blue when fully charged. The 10-foot cable gives you plenty of room to play. This battery charges in just 3 hours and provides up to 35 hours of playtime. You can charge it while you play. It keeps you in the game longer. The battery is ULCEFC certified and can be recharged over 1,000 times. It has built-in protection against overcharging and overheating. It ensures safe charging overnight. You'll receive the rechargeable battery pack, a USB-C to micro-USB adapter, and a 10-foot USB-C cable. Plus, you get a 12-month after-sales service. Get yours today. What we like. This battery kit offers a great balance of features and value. It comes with a long charging cable and is compatible with all Xbox controllers. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile charging solution, this is a great option, especially if you want to play while charging. What people say. It was very easy to insert and can be charged via the native USB-C charging port. I like the light in the charger cord end that indicates the charging status to help prevent overcharging. The length of the cord is very generous, so if you need to charge while playing it won't be a problem. Number 2. Fosmon Xbox Series XS Controller Charger. Are you tired of your controller dying mid-game? This charger provides endless gaming time. It comes with 2 charging slots and rechargeable batteries, so you'll never have to worry about running out of power again. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and save money. The included batteries offer up to 33 hours of playtime on a single charge. They are also certified to ensure safety and provide a great experience. Charging is simple. Just place your controller on the dock, and it will start charging automatically. The dock also keeps your controllers organized and easy to find when you need them. This charging station has built-in protection against overheating and short circuits. It stops charging automatically when the batteries are full. LED indicators show the charging status of each controller. This product is backed by a lifetime warranty. You can find more details on the manufacturer's website. Get yours today and enjoy uninterrupted gaming. What we like. This charger is designed for convenience and long-lasting play. With its dual charging dock, you can easily charge 2 controllers at once. If you hate constantly swapping batteries and want a simple, reliable charging solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It charges quickly, looks sleek, and keeps our Xbox setup neat and ready to go. The battery's charge lasts forever. Charges controller fast and makes it so much easier to just place the controller on the docking station when I am done playing video games, so that when I am ready to play again I just look and see if I have a green light and grab and go. Number 1. Fosmon Xbox Series XS Controller Charger. Are you tired of your controller dying mid-game? This charger provides a solution. It comes with 2 charging slots and rechargeable batteries, ensuring you have endless gaming time. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and save money. The included NMH batteries offer a long-lasting 2,400 mAh capacity, providing up to 33 hours of playtime on a single charge. This product is also SGS certified for safety. Charging is simple. Just place your controller on the dock, and it will align and start charging automatically. The dock also keeps your controllers organized when not in use. This charging station has smart features. It includes overheating and short circuit protection. LED indicators show the charging status of each controller. This product is backed by a lifetime warranty. You can find more details on the manufacturer's website. This provides peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This charger is designed for convenience and long-lasting play. With its dual charging dock, you can easily charge 2 controllers at once. If you hate constantly swapping batteries and want a simple, reliable charging solution, this is the one for you. What people say. We've been using this one for over a year, and use it a lot. The battery's charge lasts forever. We've played 3 to 4 full days in a row without putting them on the charger. It also looks really good, almost matching the Xbox style like it was built by Microsoft. Works perfectly with Xbox Series X. The controllers stay charged. I've never run out of battery, I put the controllers on the charger usually every other day or after using it. Good organization to have a dock for the controllers to live on and stay charged. Charges controller fast and makes it so much easier to just place the controller on the docking station when I am done playing video games, so that when I am ready to play again I just look and see if I have a green light and grab and go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.